inside, don't be shy. Jolene can't wait to meet you for a trailer park Christmas. The Trailer Park Way, with a brand new recipe every day. Sending videos from her trailer. Yeah. She's Jolene Sugarbaker. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. Come and spend the holidays the Trailer Park Way. Merry Trailer Park Christmas.
Trailer Park Christmas.
Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Hooray!
Well, hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, and welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen. And welcome to Trailer Park Christmas 2018, where I'm showing you how the Trailer Park celebrates the holiday. Well, if you haven't downloaded it yet, I have a calendar at trailerparkchristmas.com that you can follow along. And I see today that it says nibbly things. Well, that means one thing, because we've got parties and things that are coming up that we need something to put out on the buffet table. And I've got one that is special that I'm going to show you up next, how to make it up next on Trailer Park Christmas 2018. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a great cracker, and you can spice this one up to your taste too, which is really great. And it's made with cheese and things that are probably already in your cabinet. And today I'm using a ½ cup of softened butter, and this got a little too soft. You don't want it all melty, but that is going on in there. And I've got 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. That's going right on in there. And I'm going to mix this together just a little bit, and I'll check back with you in just a moment. Next up, we're going to add about a teaspoon of salt right on in there, right on into the bowl. And today I'm using some hot sauce. You don't have to use this, but you're going to need a dash of that. So let me dash that on in there. Now, you can also use things like jalapeno powder or any kind of spices. Today I'm using a red pepper flake, and we're just going to dash a little bit of that in there, and that's going to make them nice and spicy there. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of pecans, and that goes right on in there. And I do like a little dash of some garlic powder. Let me put that on in there too. And like I said, you can spice these up once you start to learn how to make these to your own taste and to your family's taste. Now I've got just a package of 8 ounces of cheese, and I'm going to put that on in there. And then I'm just going to start mixing this together to make a dough. So I'll check back with you in just a few moments. Now once you got that all mixed together, get on in there and work it into a dough, and that's going to take a little while. Just use your hands. You could use a glove if you really wanted to. And I'll check back with you in a few moments. Okay, I have a dough here, and I'm going to finish working this into like a roll here. I've got some parchment paper here underneath of it. But I need a nice roll here. So I'll check back with you in just a moment. Okay, we have our roll here. I'm just going to take our parchment paper here and close it all up. And I'm going to pop this in the fridge overnight, because it does have to have some time to mellow and the flavors go all together, and it is easier to slice that way. So I'll check back with you in just a bit. Okay, we have our chilled dough here, and I just have a baking pan, and this is just almost like cookies, and we're just going to slice and make some thin slices here with these. And we are just going to pop them on the baking tray there, and I'm going to get a whole pan here. And sometimes they may not cut all that great because there may be a walnut on the side, but you can just piece them back together and pop them on those baking trays. So let me work with this, and I'll be back in a moment. I've got the oven, it's just now chiming at 350 degrees too, so I'll be right back. Okay, I have a whole baking pan here, and I've got the oven at 350, and we're gonna bake these for about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes until they're crisp. So set your timer. There you have it, my cheese wafers, and look at that. You made crackers, and they are so pretty, and You can spice these up any way that you like. I can't wait to hear what you're all gonna do, but I'm gonna sneak a taste of this. I'm just gonna break one here. They're nice and crispy and wow, that tastes like a fancy cheddar cracker, and that's got a pecan in there, and this is really good. I hope you get a chance to make these. I absolutely love making snacks and treats to put out on the buffet table. You know, the things out of the box, just don't cut it around the holidays, and things that you make from your own kitchen certainly do make you the star around the holidays. What kind of snacks and things do you like to put out on your buffet table? Leave a comment down at the bottom. I certainly do enjoy spending the holidays with you. I have so many videos that you can check out. We've got a Christmas message tomorrow. We've got lots of recipes in the past that you can catch up on. You can download the free calendar at trailerparkchristmas.com so you can check out all of them and check them off that you've watched them, and you can share them with your friends. Hit that big old like button or the subscribe or wherever you see this video, and follow me on Facebook, and visit the website, of course, for more interesting things, and tune in tomorrow for my Christmas message, and I'm gonna go snack on some things around here in the trailer. I love y'all, and Merry Trailer Park Christmas, and see you tomorrow for my message. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for that big tornado. Get all filled with pride in the double wide.